see that big old rat? Watch this. We're here back at this old farm place, and you can see that there's a propane tank underneath here, and they want to get some propane before this summer's gone, so for the winter before it gets higher. And so what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to clear out some of this brush so that the propane truck can back in and they can heat their home. Better hope there's no propane leaks. Well, y'all gonna see a big explosion. Yeah, that works a lot better. So the one thing about these little saws like this, you know, they don't last a real long time. This one probably has about 20 minutes run time on this 20-volt battery. I did get this. This is a SAKER. Okay, it's probably one of the better cheap knockoff brands that you can get on Amazon. About 20 minutes per battery. It comes with 2 batteries in a case, so I figured it'll meet my needs. But I'm just trying it out. We'll test it out for the rest of this year and just kind of see how everything works. See, it's got a little bit of a guard there. This is the 4-inch. They also have a 6-inch, but this one has a little bit more longer run time because of having the bar on it. So you can see it's 20 volt. It does come with a battery LED indicator, 3 lights, means that it's fully charged. So we're gonna give it a try. Let's try this big tree right here. Big stuff away from it. Armadillo's been underneath this here. It took about 2 seconds to go through that, probably about a 2-inch tree. Pretty impressive for now. I mean, it worked great. see that big old rat? Watch this. Watch this big old rat. There he is. Woo! Get on there. There he is. Woo! Get on there. That would have scared the propane man, wouldn't it? Woo! Let's check the propane while we're here. Looks like they got 30%. Ooh, that's a big old wasp we're getting on me. All right, 30%. That's what we'll let them know. That's one thing about too. You see, one thing we've noticed out here in the country, and because the coyote population went down, you've got a lot more varmints. You got a lot of mice and rats, and they're moving up close to the house. And they'll get anything. They'll chew wires up on vehicles overnight. They'll chew electrical wires up. You'd think they wouldn't, but they'll chew electrical wires up on a house. And for instance, that rat, if you counted his tail, he was probably over 12 to 16 inches long. He's about that big around, as you could see. They just build nests everywhere. And so, you know, in God's creation, there's a place for everything. And even coyotes, even though, you know, we hear about coyotes coming up and getting cats out of the yard, which they do. They do play a role, though. They do play a role in how God designed this world to kind of take care of itself. And so they do eat a lot of varmints. They eat rabbits too. That's another thing we've seen increase was rabbits up here in the house. Now I like rabbits. I love looking at little bunnies and things of that nature. And I got a whole family, several adult females and males in my yard, and they raise all their babies. And so that's a plus that we get to experience this year, is because there's just fewer coyotes. But the flip side is you see things like that. The other thing is too, when you got things that are kind of growed up, it's a haven for those type of animals. So just make a note to yourself. If you got some junk out in the building, I know sometimes it's hard to go through it. We don't want to go through it. It takes time. Maybe we don't get rid of something, but just remember, that's where things like that rat right there, they'll go inside those buildings. They will eat through the wood and go through a floor just to get inside of a building. And then they'll just tear everything up. They'll get in there and urinate and defecate everywhere, plus chew everything up. And then the things that you didn't want to ruin, they're running now because of that. So just remember that. For whatever reason, coyotes in this area have went down. I don't know if it's from disease or if it was from hunters, because there's a lot of cattle ranches out here too. And so they do get calves as well, baby calves. And you know, that's a livelihood of a farmer. And as far as pets go too, and you just can't have that. So you have to harvest those coyotes and get rid of them and thin them out. So I don't think it's that. Knowing what I know from around this area, I think it's more of disease. It just kind of gets spread through those type of animals every now and then. And so it may be the same way. It generally isn't just located in one area. It will spread across the United States. So remember that. If you see more field mice, more rats, things of that nature. If you see more rabbits, which is good, you may like rabbits. Also know there's more mice and there's more rats. So just want to let you know that. That's just the way God designed it. We thank Him for everything that He gives us. He gives us this beautiful afternoon. And just want to say to you, I love you. Keep helping your neighbor. Keep looking for ways to make someone's life a little bit better. That's what we're here for. We are called to be servants. Jesus Christ was the greatest servant to ever live, and to walk this earth, He led by example. We're here to serve, be a servant of others, and everything will be good. At least you can feel good about it, okay? Doesn't mean we won't have troubles in this life. We will have troubles, but He overcame it, and we will too. I just want to give you one last date on this saw. It ran there probably off and on for what, 10 minutes? It never stopped. It never slowed down. Let's see where the battery's at. Let's see. Still at 3. It's fully charged. Okay, it's pretty good. You can see here the chain. I need to tighten up this chain just a little bit. There's a little bit of slack, but as you can see, It's just a good little saw. I'm impressed with it. And you can buy these chains for it for like 10 to 12 bucks on Amazon as well. So until next time, when we're cleaning up some more, I love you. We'll talk to you later.